This is a Thermcraft 12-15-30-BX furnace. This heat-treating furnace has a max temp of 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. It has internal dimensions of 15 inches by 30 inches by 12 inches with a manually operated door in the front. Please see our website for further details on this sale. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.